Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to check your Target gift card balance without any account or without login into your account. Okay, so as you know, if you don't have any kind of card, if you don't have any kind of account on target.com, then you are not able to check your balance easily. Okay, you must log in into your account to see your gift card balance. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to enter like this term on the internet, like Target gift card balance. Okay, and you need to visit on this second page, like how do I check balance on my Target gift card. And once you are on this screen, it will pop up this kind of options. Okay, and on this screen, or you can say like on this page, there is a phone number which is available on this page. You can select, you can dial the phone number, and you can easily connect with their customer support, and you can check your Target gift card balance very easily. And there is no other method by which you can check your gift card without logging into your account. Okay, this is the only option. Okay, so now hopefully this video will helpful for you. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.